Hello and welcome back to Ganesh Institute. In today's video, we are going to check for quadratic residue. What does it mean? Let's say you have p as an odd prime number. Okay, that means we are excluding only 2 because rest of the prime numbers are odd anyways. And the next condition is you have GCD of a and p as 1. So what do we mean by GCD? That is HCF, the highest common factor between these two. The common thing has to be 1, not anything else. So if we want to say that A is quadratic residue modulo P, then the condition which it has to satisfy is A raised to power P minus 1 by 2 should be congruent to 1 modulo P. And if it turns out as P minus 1 by 2 congruent to minus 1 modulo P, then we will say that A is not a quadratic residue modulo P. Okay. Let's try one of the questions. You have to find out whether 3 raised to power 31. So 31 is your prime number and A is 3. You have to check whether A is quadratic residue modulo P or not. So that means what you have to do? We have to find out the value for A raised to power P minus 1 by 2. Correct? That is A is 3 raised to power P, that is 31 minus 1 by 2. Correct? That means 3 raised to power 31 minus 1, 30 by 2, that is 15. So I need to find out this for modulo 31. If I get 1, then I'll say that yes, it is quadratic residue modulo P. And if it gives me the result as minus 1, then it will not be a quadratic residue modulo P. Let's find this out. I have already explained what does that mean if we talk about repetition modulo method, repetition square method. You can apply that also. Let's try. If I do it, if I simplify it as 3 raised to power 5 raised to power 3 modulo 31, because 3 raised to power 5 is what? 243. If you divide it by 31, because this is how we solve the modulo, this is the divisor, this has to be dividend, and remainder will be the answer for this. So 31, 6 ones are 6, 6 is 18, and 31 sevens are 7 ones are 7, 7 is 21. So 217 7 times. 13 minus 7 is 6, 4, and 3 minus 1 is 2. If I do it again for what? Let's say 31 times 1, then I'll get what? Minus 5. So that means my result, the remainder is minus 5 raised to power 3 modulo 31, right? This is also one way of solving the modulo. Next is minus 125. 5 cube is 125 modulo 31. Let's divide it. 31 into, this is the divisor, this is the dividend. Now solve it. So you have 31 5s are as 5 is a 5, 5 is a 15, and 31 4s are as 4 1s are 4, 4 is a 12. So this is 124. 5 minus 4 is 1, but minus 1 is already here, so this is minus 1. And we know if the answer is minus 1, that means it is not a quadratic residue modulo P. This is how you can solve various questions. I'm hoping that you got this concept, and if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.